Alright guys, so we're on the 175C again today, and if you've seen my other videos, you know I'm doing a lot of maintenance on this machine right now. Today's one of the little projects I'm working on here, hopefully it's going to be a simple one, is this crankcase breather right here. There's a filter element behind that little cover there, and it's supposed to be changed every 500 hours, it's supposed to be cleaned every 500 hours of use, and then it's supposed to be changed for any engine major overhauls. You change it out. So I'm going to take it apart and clean it, and hopefully this is going to be a very, very simple couple of bolts, pop it out, clean it, stick it back in, and be done. So I hope this video doesn't last more than just a couple of minutes, but I'm going to stick you up on a tripod and we'll go from there. Alright, so it looks like there's two bolts holding this thing in. Takes a 1/2 inch wrench. And there's a breather element there, nothing fancy, just that woven, junky, nasty, I don't even know what you call the stuff. So I'm going to clean that up with some diesel fuel, and then I'm going to oil it back up, and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, so got the housing reasonably cleaned up there. Had some sludge kind of down in this corner, got it cleaned out. The element, it's just a coarse fiber filter. Sloshed it around, diesel fuel, blew it out with air gun, and then oiled the heck out of it. So shove that back in there just like it was. And stick it back in the machine and should take care of it. Now there's an O-ring in here. That feels good. And that's going to go on this tube here. So wipe, make sure that tube's getting clean. Here, got a wire hanger on it. Alternator wire. No torque back in the book or anything for this one. That's cleaning up the crankcase breather on International Harvester 175C. I'm sure that'll apply to a lot of other models too. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you like this video, hopefully it helped you. I know it's not super entertaining, that's for sure. But if it helped you, or if you liked the video, click that like button. And if you want to see some more videos just like it, click the subscribe button. I'm doing a lot of maintenance on this machine right now. You can see them other videos too. Catch you on the next video, guys.